everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra from TimesTech, and today we are at Electronica, Productronica India 2025, and I'm very delightful to introduce our today's speaker. He's Mr. Sanjeev Srivastava. He's the head of industrial automation at Delta Electronics India. Hi Sanjeev.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Thank you, very fine.
Okay, so I would request you to introduce yourself and a little bit more about your role at Delta Electronics India to our audience.
Okay. So, I'm presently heading the industrial automation division of Delta Electronics India, which includes, of course, the India region plus the neighboring countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. This assignment was given to me, from January this year. But prior to that, I have almost 35 years of experience in this industry. So I've been, sort of groomed in this industry for quite some time.
Okay, thank you so much for your introduction. And let's move ahead with the Q&A session. And my first question for you is that with more than 3 decades, 35 years, as you said, of experience across Delta, how has your journey shaped your vision for industrial automation in India?
So I have seen the times when the factories were running on a lot of analog equipments,
okay,
which has changed to digital in these 3 decades. And now from even the digital products, we are now moving more towards the software, so that our analysis of what we are doing at the shop floor level, we can do a much better analysis, understand the machine, the requirements, and then how we can have a much more productive shop floor.
Okay. Since joining Delta in 2016, right?
Yes.
You have led the automation division through significant growth. What have been the key drivers of innovation and customer adoption during this period?
So, in this last 8 or 9 years, we have seen a lot of change in the industry. In fact, last 8 or maybe 10 years have seen a lot of automation happening in this country. A lot of new manufacturing setups have come in this industry. So there has been a constant, sort of a revolution as far as industrial automation is concerned. So if I talk about 10 years back, we were just at a very basic level of, software development or software integrated to the hardware. But today, it's right from artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is part of the system now, and a lot of data analysis can be made through these, which definitely helps the user to dig out more information and make his line more productive and efficient.
Okay. Energy efficiency and
Yes.
sustainability are core of Delta's philosophy. How is the automation business integrating these principles into solutions for Indian industries?
So over the years, we have been doing a lot of R&D,
Yeah.
and we try to make our products more energy efficient, saving a lot of fuel, because more energy efficiency means less of carbon emissions
Yes.
also. So that is how we are year on year making new products, new technologies, more efficient products, making sure that we also get into, say, the recycling of the electronic components, which also saves the industry. So that is what we are doing.
Okay. Having deep expertise in channel management, how are you strengthening Delta's partner in channel ecosystem to reach wider markets in India?
So Delta predominantly has been into the channel segment. We are selling most of our products through the channels, but now the want from the industry is that we start focusing more in terms of solution business rather than the box selling.
Okay.
Saying so, it is also important that our channel partners, who are our extended arms, they also, since they have been associated with us for the last 15-20 years, so they also need to grow in terms of their businesses, and we have to help them grow the business. So now we have a separate channel business organization, which is mainly focusing on this vertical and ensuring that each and every channel is growing year on year. We are also trying to link a lot of softwares or some online portals integrated with our SAP systems for doing ease of business, and also analyzing the white spaces all across the country where we can have more channels and system integrators to help the industry grow.
Okay. So with trends like Industry 4.0, digital twins, and AI-driven automation gaining ground, how is Delta preparing to align with these technologies in the Indian context?
So Delta has been talking about the Industry 4.0 for quite some time. Now this shift is from 4.0 to 5.0.
5.0.
4.0 mainly talked about more of automation, large number of produce, and mainly faster automation. But when we talk about 5.0, it's more of a machine and human interface. So that is where we want to develop our solutions and products. We have a collaborative robot also.
Okay.
So the collaborative robot means normally if you see a robot, it will be doing a lot of automated tasks in a very fast manner.
Yeah.
But a collaborative robot, it interacts between human and machine.
Okay.
And so there is when there's a lot of buzz going on that with AI and all these things coming up, there'll be a shortage of skills.
Skills. Yeah.
So that will not happen for sure,
Okay.
because human and machine have to work hand in hand. So that is where we are heading towards.
Okay. So if you talk about the cobots, collaborative robots, how about the accuracy? I mean, if the machine and human are working together,
So
what
it is programmed in such a way that there is no issue with the accuracy.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's something like you do entire programming with the robot, and then they have their own set of instructions, and you have your own set of instructions, and you work together.
Okay. So moving ahead to the last question. Beyond your corporate role, you contribute as a visiting faculty and trainer.
Yes.
How important is talent and skill development for driving the future in India's automation industry?
So it's been I've always liked to interact with the generation which is maybe one or maybe 2 decades who are into the budding engineers or the MBAs who are now coming into the industry. So it's always good to interact with them, understand what their requirements are and what the industry requirements are, and then if you engage with them, it's a very healthy sort of situation. So
Yes.
I enjoyed interacting with a lot of management students.
Okay.
I have been a trainer for business to business marketing and key account management in a lot of institutions.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sanjeev,
you.
for answering the questions and giving the insights to us, giving your time to us.
Thank
It was
you so
great
much.
talking to you.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for watching us.